What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are at St. John's River hanging out. We got the Waterhawgs Bass Club Classic coming out this weekend, so we're gonna be on the river. There's 400 miles of river, and we're putting it here at Asher, here at Paramore Fish Camp. We got a cabin here behind me, so you can see us. We got it set up with it. We got our wood, we got our grill, we got boats lined up, we got a fire pit across the street. Whole campsite everywhere you see around me. You even got a pool here, so pretty cool spot. We are fishing. Today's Thursday. We're fishing tomorrow a little bit, but the tournament starts on Saturday and Sunday, so hopefully Saturday and Sunday we got some fish weighed in that are pretty nice. Hopefully we can get on some fish. So anyway, stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know the deal. Tell your mama and them. What's up, everybody? Day one, Waterhawg Classic, St. John's River. We are getting ready to leave out right now from Paramore Fish Camp, and we're about to get after them, boys. Today we also got a camera in Brian and Brad's boat, so hopefully they get on some fish and maybe get some good footage, so that'd be cool. So me and Jacob dressed as a banana, just thought it was Halloween still. Anyways, we're getting after them. It's gonna be a rough, wet, cold day, but we are gonna get after them and hopefully catch some fish. That'd be nice, you know. Money on the line, baby. Let's get after them. Fucking line them up. What's up, everybody? So that's the end of day one. We didn't do too hot, got a few bites. Cold front shut them down for sure, so we're headed back to get the scales ready. Got a couple people saying the same thing. They got a small fish, so I don't know how today's weigh-in's gonna go, but there's definitely some fish getting weighed in. But tomorrow's a new day, and maybe we'll get them, you know. But anyways, let's roll over to Brad and Brian's footage and see what they did today, and then we'll get to the weigh-in. Stay tuned.
Pitched in it, man.
Good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just turn that bitch on too, bro. Oh.
The coronavirus.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah. You don't have to weigh that too. I'm serious.
Brian, you got 2 people that need to still sign up on here?
Heads up.
Yes.
Watch your feet.
No, 1.
Who, Wes?
West.
There's only 10 votes.
3-2.
Kill him. He threw back.
When y'all move over, pick anything up? No.
I didn't say keep empty side.
Nice.
Nice fish. How many fish y'all got?
3.
Tomorrow's keep empty side.
What's the scale? 4.8.
Here's 4. That's a monster right there. 4.9.
Don't fish right here. What's that, Brad?
Yeah. Probably like 8 or 9 pounds.
8.2.
8.2.
Good job, fellas.
Good job, fellas. On a tough day, nice fish.
Sure.
Is that the big one you caught on camera?
Yeah. No.
Super slow for us.
Nice.
Yeah.
How many fish y'all got?
1 good one. 3 pounds.
3 pounds even.
0.3. That was that second fish.
Stick him in.
How many fish you got?
This is our other fish.
Did y'all weigh that? Did y'all weigh that?
Yeah, it's 4.8.
Huh?
Did you like that?
2.4.
Dude, wait till you see these little suckers.
How little can they be?
They get
I'll change size of the sloop that he was fishing with.
they can be little.
Have to cut the hole smaller in the next batch.
Hey, but they're adding up today, though, ain't they?
They're adding up. Hey, Brad.
The ones that people ain't got none, they'd be filled.
Yeah.
That's
Huh?
for sure.
Dude, what?
Yeah, I ain't saying you didn't meet us.
I would,
Using a 1-aught?
I would love to have those 3.
No,
way
that,
three
that
ounce
was
spinning that
a
long.
1 ounce secret caught them.
Fucking rooster tail.
There we go.
He bought that one from Brian.
Oh, I did have 5 pounds.
He couldn't have paid enough.
Yeah.
5.7.
Today, yeah.
What'd you have? 8?
8 something.
So I gotta catch you tomorrow, then, huh?
No, he said he didn't catch anything. But he is down there.
Oh. Then he probably beat my 5 pounds. No. 4-1.
That was like a half a pound.
Tough.
What's up? At the Waterhawgs cookout, getting the deer bites going. Now, y'all see them. Them bitches are bad. Everybody here will tell you they're good. Anyways, stay tuned. We got the fish going right on the grill, on the fryer over there. Getting it down. Hell yeah. So, stay tuned. Day 2 coming up. Maybe we'll get them. You want to say anything? Guys in the lead? Guys in the lead want to say anything? Straight smacking them with 8 pounds right now? Yeah, so anyways.
Hopefully it's horrible for them tomorrow.
Yeah, right.
They're only one.
Maybe they'll strike out and everybody else will get 9 pounds. So we can only hope. Anyway, stay tuned, like, subscribe, tell your mom and them, and in the comments, y'all want to know this recipe, just let your boy know. I'll holler at you. All right. What is up, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Back here, back at it again. Day 2, St. John's River, Waterhawgs Bass Club. We are in a creek that we never fished before. So we're gonna go down this creek, probably troll the whole time, all the way through to back to the main canal, and just fish and fish and fish. Yesterday we did a lot of running. We did not do very good doing all that running. So we're gonna try to stick it out and catch one. You know, we like to catch a couple. We don't really care about the money too much at this point. We just want to catch a fish. So anyway, stay tuned, like, subscribe, tell your mom and them, and hopefully we catch some big old juicies. Jake Daddy might have put us on the board. Look at that.
Broke the ice.
Broke the bass ice. Broke the ice. Polar bear big enough to break the ice. Hit the one that says Phil Live well. problem. There we go. Fish 2 finally after 3 hours of fucking fishing. Jacob putting us on the board today. Alright, that's what I like. On the tomato soup color? Tomato soup. Damn, tomato soup. Okay. Hello. I didn't even see him hit it. Motherfucker. Damn it. Well, folks, comes the end of day 2, and you see it, we only got 3 fish in the boat. Jacob managed to put all 3 in the boat today. I lost a decent fish, we're not sure how big he was, but went up under the boat and got off. But anyways, we're gonna roll up to the weigh and see what happens. I don't think we're gonna win it with these 3 fish, but you know, see what else. See if everybody else had a bad day as we did. You know, yesterday it was 0 out. We didn't get no bass in the boat. Today only 3 fish. It's pretty tough on St. John's right now, I'd have to say. Cold front, the rain definitely shut them down. So anyway, stay tuned. Weigh-in coming up. Nope. We had 20 pounds yesterday, don't remember?
They're definitely alive.
2.8.
Johnny hopefully coming in strong.
Got him out of ice and he got out.
Some solid fish today, Johnny. Better than yesterday. 7, 8.
Probably about 3 pounds, I would say. Nah.
2.5 big fish.
2.5.
Same fish as yesterday.
2-1. Hey, you. Caught him flipping 2 in a tree.
That's what Johnny did.
Make it look real big. It was a tough weekend for everybody, dude.
Oh, 2 fish.
Here's
Johnny.
Here's the pullout.
Yeah. I don't think it's gonna be enough.
Nice.
Nice fish. 5-1.
5-1 at him. Pick that small one out, please.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it is.
He
No,
said,
I don't think it is.
And I found them, and I was like, I get here and I'm like, oh man.
oh my gosh, Dad.
13?
Hey, it counts.
Yeah, I wish I'd have known that
Might have
yesterday.
big fish.
3-4.
3-4. Big fish.
Yeah,
3-4.
It's big. It's big. He doesn't have a.
Did that help?
Congratulations to Johnny and Kenny.
Good job, guys.
Awesome, man.
First place.
Y'all pulled a rabbit out of your ass today, boys.
Barely.
Caught a couple limits, man. Y'all deserve that.
2 limits.
Good job, fellas. Good job.
Also comes with a $1,000 payout.
Awesome. Awesome.
7-8. We got second place goes to Brad and Brian.
Good job.
Good job, fellas. Good job.
Hey, get out where Brian's at. Probably the boat. Still fishing. Yeah.
Good job, Brian.
Good job, Brian. Didn't they get big
Second
fish?
place.
Both eight.
And
Third place is
you already got a green reel, man. You can give me that one.
My dad. What is the Vince? 13.
Good job, Vince.
Good job, brother.
That's fucking tough.
Yeah, it's
Good job, man.
We're like, oh man, Johnny's
there's
got
money
me,
involved?
like,
Oh, yeah.
That's all I care about.
I could have had more.
Right on it.
You don't feel me whack
more,
for
but
two.
I
We got fourth places, Adam and Eric.
Good job, fellas. Adam and Eric.
Hey, I was going to fish. I wouldn't have left.
We can't have that
I
anymore.
punch and brush.
And then
Punch
we got
and brush?
fifth place,
Only leg.
Matt Davidson.
Good job. Good job. Pocket bass.
There you go.
Pocket bass. Got him in
There
there.
you go. And then you got, there's some money
But
for
it was
you
out.
with him.
Yeah, you had to throw it here like concrete.
And then big fish goes to
And then he was breaking the line.
Yep.
Got one of them.
Hey, you want to sell that reel?
Big Bass Day 2.
I broke
The
my
reel.
reel.
That,
We parked over
that's
there.
$100.
Huh?
Thanks.
What do you mean? We're not even over here. Appreciate it.
Good
We
job,
parked
man.
over there.
Thank you.
Good
Oh,
job.
you caught boat fish today?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, fellas, that's his chain.
If you want to come in fifth, come join the Waterhawgs for fifth place. We rich, baby.
Waterhawgs TV.
Hey, you want to go fishing?